I want you to run with your family, with your friends, and with people you don't even know. Because I really believe Thelma will inspire you. You will see a little bit of yourself in this film, and I believe after this film, your life will never be the same. So September 7, I encourage you to watch Thelma showing nationwide. Produced by Time Horizon and distributed by Star Cinema, starring this very beautiful cast. John Arcilla?
Well, siguro hindi naman na iti-take ng chance ng Star Cinema na i-distribute ko kung hindi siya naniniwala. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi lang kasi pamilya ng pelikula, pang sports pa. Kung hindi pa ready sa tingin natin yung mga audience sa message film, I think this time they will. Beautiful film. So September 7, Maha Salvador, directed by Paul Soriano, and of course, all of us.
Yes, please, everybody, check out Thelma when it shows on September 7. It's a wonderful story that will inspire you. Even if you're not a runner, you will be able to relate to Thelma's story because you will look at your life, and just like Thelma, we all have our obstacles, we have our handicaps, but this movie tells you to recycle all that and go beyond your limitation and achieve your dream. And I think yung message lang na yun, kahit hindi ka runner, you can so relate to it. So panoorin nyo pag lumabas sa September 7. I know I have a lot of friends in Facebook, they're all waiting for Thelma to be shown, and they're all waiting and excited about it. Hello!
We would like to acknowledge Elisa Pineda.
Liza Pineda,
Liza! Hi! Hi! Hi, baby!
Liza Pineda plays Hannah, the sister of Thelma. Pag-asa. And you'll know why on September 7. Eliza, you want to say hi to everyone?
Hello po everyone. Magandang gabi po. Salamat sa pagpunta dito sa vlogger site po ng Thelma.
Paano ka na rin? Yes, now say it.
Sorry po, nalate ako. Kasi naligaw po kami. Salamat. Thank you.
So invite them. Invite everyone.
Sana mapanood kayo ng Thelma. September 7 ang pong show nationwide. Directed by Paul Soriano. Produced by Time Horizon. And distributed by Star Cinema.
Ay po, salamat, maraming salamat. At sana po, supportahan niyo kami sa pelikulang to. At na-excite ako para kay Maha. At naniniwala po ako na marunod ng Pilipino. Ang Pilipino ay hindi na po ganun ka-ignorante para sa pelikula. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. Sabi nga po nila, own it. Kaya samahan niyo po ako sa pagtatlong ko sa aking pelikula. Ang tagal ko na po itong hinihintay. At Sir Rino, Direk Paul, thank you po. Dahil isa kayo sa tumupad sa mga pangarap ko. Thank you. So sana din po kayo, matutuwa po ako kung mapapanood nyo dahil isa rin po kayo sa mga magiging dahilan kung bakit natupad yung pangarap ko. Thank you po. Thank you. September 7 po, Thelma. Thank you.
Actually,